Hello, this is Avi Ben David at Mulholland, and I want to show you a project that we're done on a very beautiful property. What was important here for the developer, the builder, is to create a wow factor when people approaching the property. So we put on this 23-foot sliding gate, and gonna give it a little click and get it to close. And you will see the beauty of this project. Right now I'm taking the video from the inside because the sun is right in front of the house, of the gate actually, and then you can hear the gate very quietly, beautifully closing with a very nice gate operator right here. This motor is small and strong, and as you can see, you don't see any chains and ugly big motor. There is a pedestrian gate over here. Look at how beautiful everything is. Nice handle, and close beautifully and quietly. And here is the gate from the outside. There is another pedestrian door right here, or a gate I should say, and see how beautifully it's opening and closing. You give it a little click and close beautifully. Look at the vertical handle next to it. All together, just a beautiful installation. And I'm always saying gates can never be perfect because they're done by hand, piece by piece. But this gate is as close to perfect as they come. And look at the effect that it's putting on the whole front. Thank you very much for watching our videos. I hope it's given you lots of good information so you can make a wise decision. Gates are not cheap, they're expensive. And when you decide to do it, you can always give us a call. It doesn't matter where you are in the world. You can always give me a call. I can talk to you, tell you what to watch for, and that way you can make a wise decision and get your investment worth. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.